When paranoia meets ambition, the result is explosive. Welcome to the latest in Zimbabwe's political drama. President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga are embroiled in a dangerous game of power. Recently, a helicopter crash at Masvingo Airport has fueled Mnangagwa's suspicions, intensifying fears of a coup. Though he wasn't on board, the crash has become a central issue, with Mnangagwa openly questioning Chiwenga's knowledge of the event. Tensions escalated further when Chiwenga skipped Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations, opting for an event in Bulawayo instead. This absence was seen as a deliberate snub, deepening the rift between them. Mnangagwa's bid for a third term, breaking a previous power transfer agreement, has sidelined Chiwenga and shifted military loyalties. Senior commanders' absence from Mnangagwa's birthday in favor of Chiwenga's event signals a brewing storm. With Mnangagwa growing increasingly paranoid and Chiwenga feeling marginalized, Zimbabwe's political future hangs in the balance. Stay tuned, the stakes couldn't be higher. Nishki.